Welcome to today's exciting cricket match. We have a thrilling game ahead of us, so stay tuned for all the action. The team winning the toss has chosen to bowl first. They are taking their positions now. The openers are out. It's an important game. Attacking line, attacking length. That's what you expect from a quick bowler. It's the left-hander on strike. Yes. That's a dot ball. No runs. Oh, he's changed his angle coming over the wicket. And they get a single. The right-hander on strike. Big appeal from the bowler asking that question. No review this time.
That is how it's done.
He's on his way back, visibly disappointed after losing this wicket. The right-hander on strike. No chance for the fielder. That races to the boundary. Just look at the timing on that shot. He barely seemed to hit it. It sailed over the ropes. Yep. Oh, nicely played off the back foot. He's found the gap. Won't go all the way to the boundary, but again to the fielder. It's a good throw in the end. That's the end of the over, and it's time for a switch of ends. Attacking line, attacking length. That's what you expect from a quick bowler. What a catch! That's brilliant in the field. Safe hands. The fielder made no mistake with that opportunity. That's the end of his stay at the crease. He's heading back. What a shot! Gets to the pitch of the ball. Good extension of the bat. Uses his long levers. It's not just power, it's the placement too. He picked the perfect area and cleared it with ease. Under pressure, the bowler need to make things happen. High in the air. All eyes on the fielder now. And they get a single. Nice running there. 2 added to the total. That's sharp. Turned half a chance into goal. Safe hands. The fielder made no mistake with that opportunity. That's another wicket. It's the left-hander on strike.
Yep.
That's driven majestically straight out of the middle of the bat. No chance. Good footwork. An impressive shot. It's going to be the seamer now. Pressure on the batter. Change of angle coming back to over the wicket. A classic cover drive. Finds the gap perfectly and adds 4 to the tally. What composure under pressure. He knew exactly where the gaps were and played it with precision.
Let's make some noise.
That's out of here. Got every bit of it. Oh, he got the elevation just right. It's gone high and long, right out of the middle of the bat. Under pressure, the bowler need to make things happen. That looks like a really good shot, and yes, it is.
Unbelievable.
What a crowd pleaser. You can see from the replay how cleanly he struck that straight into the stands. It's been a very, very entertaining over so far. Good running. They come back safely for 2. The scoreboard is ticking rapidly after that over, thanks to some brilliant batting. Nice running there, 2 added to the total. Should get a couple of runs here. It's a good throw in the end. That's good running. Oh, that is a thing of beauty. Into the gap for 4. He's muscled that through the infield. The fielder barely had time to react as it sped past him. And they get a single. That's hit high. Fielders are converging. That's good running. A couple of runs. Pure class. Perfect timing. Perfect placement. 4 runs. Full extension of the arms. Perfect balance, and the ball does the rest. Yeah, the spinner's top of his mark. Watch for some sharp turn. Oh my word, that is massive. Oh, it's not just power, it's the placement too. He picked the perfect area and cleared it with ease. Oh, that's very, very good batting indeed. Let's put the bowler under pressure. That's enormous. Right up into the top tier. Oh, he got the elevation just right. It's gone high and long, right out of the middle of the bat. It's been very sensible batting. He hasn't been a static target. He's moved around the crease, making the bowler think. How's the bowler going to react? What composure under pressure. He knew exactly where the gaps were and played it with precision. That's sharp. Turned half a chance into goal. He judged that perfectly and made no mistake with the catch. He's dismissed and makes the long walk back to the pavilion. A right-hander on strike. Oh, he's changed his angle coming over the wicket. Should get a couple of runs here. It's a good throw in the end. That's good running. It's been a good over.